Alright, this is the multi-cleaning pen from Link Dream. There's the barcode and the QR code. So this is an all-in-one cleaning brush for your earphones. So this one here is my Gen 2 AirPods. As you can see, sometimes they do get dirty. So let's pull out the high density brush here. You can get into there, get into there. And there's also this very nice pick here. So you're able to really dig in if there's any earwax, which I don't have any at the moment. But you're able to just simply brush it. There's a high density brush. And then here on the other side, it's basically like a big Q-tip. So you're able to just shove that in there, do a couple twists, pull out any gunk that's in there. And you can clean that, clean that. Clean that. There you go. I mean, you can use this as a brush too, but this side is just more specific towards the earphone itself. And see, you see I'm picking up some pocket lint there. Okay, again, this is the all-in-one tool. Has the pick, high density brush, and then this side is the deep cleaning brush, so you clean inside the earphone pod case. Again, this is from Dreamscape. From Link Dream, sorry. There you go, cotton bud pen nub.